Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Christina. I'm going to teach you how to use your scissors and cut properly. Well, before we get started, I'm sure your teachers have already sang the Finger Family song. So we're going to learn how to put our thumbkin in the small hole. So everyone, do me a favor, put your thumbkin in the small hole. The rest of your fingers are going to go in the big hole. Now let's practice open, shut, open, shut. Now that we know how to open and shut our scissors, we're going to open and shut them on the paper. Now our body parts. How am I sitting or standing? Sitting. Very good. Are my elbows far away or close to my body? They are close. Now let's talk about our thumbkins. Our thumbkins, I have a helping hand and a cutting hand. My helping hand stays on the paper. My cutting hand holds the scissors. My thumbkins are always facing up. Is my thumbkin facing up right now?
Yes.
No, it is not. My fingers are facing up. Make sure your thumbkin's facing up on your scissors and your helping hand. Now it's time to cut. Open. My helping hand brings the paper close to me. My helping hand is steady. Open, shut. Open, shut. Open, shut.
I feel like that.
Open, shut. Open, shut. Open, shut. Now let's keep going. I'm going to move my helping hand and not my scissor hands. Make sure your wrists are close to you. Elbows close, helping hand moves. Open, shut. Open, shut. Open, shut. You want to make sure you're cutting these black lines straight up. Let me get my helping hand and move it closer to me. Open, shut. Open, shut. One last time. My helping hand is moving, not my cutting hand. My cutting hand stays still. Open, shut. When you're finished, it should look like this. If it doesn't look perfect, that's okay because we learn from our mistakes. Go ahead and give it a try by yourself. Happy cutting. Bye.